In this video, I will be showing you how you can install Manim from scratch. Throughout this process, I will be using a Windows machine, and you can find all the links and comments under the description part. So I will start with explaining how you can install Visual Studio Code, but if you are using any other application, you can skip this part. To start downloading VS Code, you need to go to the first link in the description, and you can start the download by clicking the Windows part. When the installation is done, you can simply click on the icon to start the installation. When the screen pops up, click on Run and follow the steps of the installation package. If you want to add a desktop icon, you can specify it by checking this checkbox. When the installation is done, run VS Code and go to Extensions part. In the search bar, type Python and start the installation from the developer Microsoft. What we will do next is to start installing the Manim, but first we need to add a repository named as Chocolatey to our Windows machine. From now on, we will be only using our terminal to install all the necessary parts. So we need to go to our search button and open PowerShell. But be careful about running the PowerShell in administrator mode. When the PowerShell screen pops up, you can copy and paste our first command into terminal and hit enter. If the terminal gives no error messages, this means that you have successfully installed Chocolatey to your Windows machine. Finally, we copy and paste our command 2 into the terminal and hit enter. This process may take some time, and the terminal may expect you to approve some things. To approve these things, you just need to type A and then press enter. When the process is done, you can close the terminal, which means that you have successfully installed Manim. Additionally, you can install Manim Site View extension to your machine. To do that, you need to go to Extensions in Visual Studio Code and type Manim. The only listed extension will be the correct one. Hit install and trust all the workspaces. After this installation is also done, you can reboot your computer to start using Manim. So this is the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching.